Hello friends, welcome to the 7th episode of Tech News with Pallav. Let's start today's Tech News with Xiaomi's upcoming Redmi 10 smartphone has cleared the approval process of Malaysia's NBTC certification. Black Shark 5 gaming smartphone has been spotted on Global IMEI database website, and Black Shark 5 and Black Shark 5 Pro are soon going to be seen in the global market. Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite NE smartphone receives Malaysia's NBTC certification and Indian BIS certification. Now the launch of this smartphone is imminent. Xiaomi Mi Door and Window Sensor 2 and Xiaomi's Mi Robot Vacuum Mop 2 Pro receives Indonesian Telecom certification. New Poco smartphone is soon going to be launched and it is spotted on Global IMEI and Indian IMEI database website. Samsung's upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G moniker is confirmed and it receives Bluetooth SIG certification. Samsung launches Exynos 850 processor variant of Samsung Galaxy A12 in India. This smartphone features 48 megapixel quad rear camera, a 5000 mAh battery, and the starting price of this smartphone is Rs 13,999. Samsung is going to launch Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G smartphone in India, and the support page of this smartphone is now live on Samsung's official website, and the Indian launch is not too far away. Realme Band 2, Realme Pad and Realme Dizo Go Pods Neo receives Indian BIS certification, and their Indian launch is imminent. Realme started rolling out Realme UI 2.0 based Android 11 update for its Realme Narzo 10. So if you are waiting for this update from a very long time, head towards the setting and press on the update icon and enjoy Realme UI 2.0 and Android 11. Realme trademarked Feel Me and Realme U in the global market. OnePlus trademarked OnePlus Infinite, OnePlus Proxima and OnePlus Molo globally. OnePlus Infinite is also trademarked in India, and definitely OnePlus Proxima and OnePlus Molo will also be trademarked in India. OnePlus started rolling out Oxygen OS 11 based Android 11 update for its OnePlus 6 and OnePlus 6T. So if you are waiting for this update for a very long time, the wait is over now. Head towards the setting and press the update icon and enjoy Oxygen OS 11 and Android 11. iQOO 8 and iQOO 8 Pro are soon going to be launched. iQOO 8 Pro will feature 16 megapixel telephoto lens with optical image stabilization and 30x zoom, a 120 watt wired, 50 watt wireless and 10 watt reverse charging is confirmed. One of the iQOO 8 series of smartphone is spotted on Geekbench database website, and this smartphone will feature Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor and 8GB RAM. Apple started rolling out a new update for its Mac OS. The build number of this update is Mac OS Big Sur 11.5.2. It is a 2.9 GB update and There will be only bug fixing and no updated changelog. Vivo's upcoming Vivo X70 Pro smartphone receives Bluetooth SIG and Singapore's IMDA certification. Honor has launched Honor Magic 3, Magic 3 Pro and Magic 3 Pro Plus. These come with 6.76-inch FHD plus 120Hz curved OLED display and they support Google services also. The Honor Magic 3 comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 and the Pro variants comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus processor. I hope you liked today's tech news. Please like, subscribe and share my videos and give me more encouragement to make more interesting videos. Please stay protected. Thank you.